Has your Instagram account been disabled and no matter what you try, you just can't get it back? Well, you're not alone. Thousands of people face this issue every day. But what if I told you there's a faster and more effective way to recover your account bypassing the usual methods? Stay tuned, because today, I'm revealing the best-kept secret for recovering your disabled Instagram account, and it's a method you won't find in Instagram's Help Center. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This could be the most important video you'll watch today if you're struggling to get your account back. And don't forget to check out the video description and pinned comment below for extra resources and helpful links. So, Instagram accounts can get disabled for many reasons: violating community guidelines, suspicious activity, or even just an accidental mistake. Whatever the reason, you've probably already tried the standard recovery process. But if that's failed, don't panic. I'm here to introduce you to a foolproof method that works faster and more reliably than the usual recovery route. That's where hacker teams like Vixpass come in. You might be thinking, hacker teams, isn't that risky? But Vixpass has built a solid reputation for helping people recover their disabled Instagram accounts. These services have a team of experienced professionals who specialize in navigating Instagram's security measures to recover accounts quickly and securely. It's not about hacking your account, it's about using expert knowledge to bypass Instagram's system and help you regain access. Now, why is this method so much better than the normal recovery process? For starters, while Instagram's traditional recovery system can take days or even weeks and often ends in frustration, Vixpass works on your case immediately. Their team knows exactly how to address the security protocols that can often lock you out of your account, giving you a much quicker turnaround time. And the best part? It's secure. While many people worry about the legitimacy of third-party services, Vixpass has a proven track record of safe, confidential recovery, ensuring your account remains protected throughout the entire process. Remember, this is an alternative to the standard recovery process and is highly recommended for anyone who has hit a wall with the usual recovery methods. But, as always, exercise caution and ensure you're using trusted professionals. So, if you're tired of waiting for Instagram to get back to you, or if you've tried everything with no luck, I suggest giving Vixpass a shot. They'll handle your case like experts and get you back into your Instagram account as soon as possible. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with account recovery, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. And remember, check the description and pinned comment for all the resources you need to get started with the best account recovery method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe online.